G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm just taking the opportunity to place a few car covers and just let some of the cars have a bit of a run that have been stored for a long time. So the one behind me here is a BF, I think it's a BF2. Anyway, I bought it off my brother, XR6. Pretty low Ks, I'll have to check the Ks in a minute. And it's got a factory moonroof, which I really like. So I think also being the last of the Falcons, he wanted to sell it and buy another Falcon. He's got the FGX. Check out the channel to see his FGX. And he also bought an AU XR8, which I will do a video of it later on, next time I go to Sydney. But anyway, let's just check out the BF. So here's the BF Falcon. It's missing a center cap. Need to get one of those. And it's been sitting for a while, but it's fine. All the fluids look good. I've got to probably replace the battery. I think it's flat. It was disconnected. I just reconnected it then, but I've got other batteries in the car, in the garage and I'll charge that one up. But just a standard 4-litre, 24 valve overhead cam 6, the Behr engine, and yeah, it's just a nice car. It's got a few marks here and there, but generally speaking, it's in very nice condition. You know, power windows, it's all standard. 135,000 Ks, so that's pretty low Ks, one of these now. And it's got the matching interior and the pedals. He had it for quite a while. I don't know how many Ks were on it when he bought it. Probably like 80,000 or 70,000, something like that. Maybe even less. It looks like it actually has power, so maybe it'll start. Let's see if it will. Well, I didn't record the starting of it, but the battery was weak, but 2 cranks on the key and the car started, running beautifully. I think this might have been an ex-Telstra car, possibly, or a government car. It's got the daytime running lights, or the headlights always on. I'm pretty sure Telstra had that as a safety feature for their staff. Seems to be running really well. Well, 135,000 Ks. There's the roof, factory roof. My brother would probably like to see this car. I think he got in trouble off his wife for selling it to me, but at least it's still in the family, Karen, so you know. It's got a dent there, which needs to be fixed, or get my mate Brian to sort that out. There's a couple little scuffs on it, but generally this is just dust on the top. Still got its New South Wales rego. It's got a dent here in the bumper bar. And it's got a bit of a dent there, very light one there. You could probably tap that out, get one of those paintless dent repairs. And then there's a scuff there, but that'll polish out. There's no rust or anything in it, nor would I expect there to be. I folded the mirrors in for the car cover. There's a few marks, front bumper bar, the paint's chipped off here. And I think the bumper was pushed in somewhere. It's got to be heated up and pushed back out. But cool car. Mark II, there you go, BF Mark II. I thought it was. I think the bumper bar's pushed in down here. This just popped out on its own, which, it's down the bottom there. You probably can't see it, but yeah, it's been pushed in. That's got to be just popped out again. And probably the front bar painted, but the paint's very good on the car. That's cool. 135,665 Ks. Air conditioning, power window, central locking, spider webs. It's got its owner's books in there. Power window switch. Oh, it could come in handy. I don't know if it's an old faulty one or a good one. It's got the moonroof, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to try and open it now, but yeah, it's got quite a bit of fuel in it. It's pretty old fuel too. I'll just let it run for a while. Yeah, it's running well. A little bit tappy just on startup because obviously been sitting for so long. Next service is due at 144,000 Ks, so about 9,000 Ks away, or in 2022. Well, that's 3 years ago now, so it's a bit overdue for a service, but just from sitting, really. But I'll keep this car, so you know, nice to have a good example of an XR BF Falcon. BA BFs, you know, very well liked or well loved, the BF models, so it'd be nice to have one. I've got to probably get a better door handle there. I think I might have gone to a wrecker and got that, and I've got a couple of other better trim pieces there, which are looking a bit average. So it'd be nice just, I don't know if that's like from makeup or whatever, but like the paint is discoloured there on that side. But everything else looks pretty good, actually. So, yeah. Anyway, that's just a quick video. Probably more for my brother's sake than anything, so he can see his car again. But BF Mark II. I'm trying to think what the name of the colour is. It's definitely not Blueprint. It's the one that replaced Blueprint, but it wasn't as popular. But it's still quite a nice colour. But somebody will chime in and say what it is. I just can't remember off the top of my head. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please give the episode a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future episodes. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.